The Battle of the Trent, fought in 679 AD, was a significant conflict between the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms of Mercia and Northumbria, centered around control of the contested region of Lindsey, modern-day Lincolnshire. The battle took place near the River Trent, though the exact location remains uncertain. King Æthelred of Mercia, brother of the former King Wulfhere, led the Mercian forces against King Ecgfrith of Northumbria. A notable casualty was Ælfwine of Dira, Ecgfrith's 18-year-old brother and sub-king of Dira, who was killed during the battle. His death threatened to escalate the conflict into a prolonged war between the two kingdoms. To prevent further bloodshed, Archbishop Theodore of Canterbury intervened, mediating peace between the rival kings. As part of the settlement, Æthelred paid a weregild, compensation for Ælfwine's death, and both sides agreed to a lasting peace. This diplomatic resolution helped avert a larger conflict and stabilized relations between Mercia and Northumbria. The battle marked a turning point in the power dynamics of Anglo-Saxon England. Mercia regained control of Lindsey, diminishing Northumbrian influence in the south. This victory contributed to the rise of Mercian dominance in the 8th century, known as the Mercian supremacy, during which Mercia became one of the most powerful kingdoms in England.